That's pretty incredible transformation.
Let's go like this. Oh, that's right.
And Dylan, you're gonna do something fun in this bathroom shower, right?
So yeah, this will be a white tile look.
Yeah.
With a white vanity and then with a white countertop.
Okay.
So we actually have the countertop there, we just don't have the vanity yet. So
Nice big bathroom, no space right on the toilet.
You got
Yeah.
the pocket door.
I paint these dark still.
That's pretty incredible transformation.
Oh yeah, don't forget the closet.
Closet.
Oh yeah.
Walk in.
Wouldn't say it's
It's a walk-in.
grandiose, but for here it's perfect.
And the
Yeah.
floors
Both
look
houses are
amazing. This kitchen though, come on.
And then we got washer, dryer,
Washer, dryer.
water heater in the corner.
Yeah. I tell you, this kitchen.
I just wish all the cabinets were the same color. I really like the blonde cabinet. Well, that's my favorite look is the blonde cabinets.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, but those are,
once they're all painted, it won't matter. Sand and paint,
yep,
nice light in.
All right.
able to save the crown, so that was cool.
Anything you want to share with the YouTube warriors, Dylan?
Don't try this at home.
You want to see some specific things that we're doing in the houses for the rehab, you got to comment and let us know what those are.
All right, with that,
We'll see you back out in the field.
well, MET Staging is the one who staged this.
We bought this one on the market as a HUD home. It's a government bank-owned home. If you're looking for a home, be sure to reach out and let us know, and we'll be happy to show it to you.